Hi, my name is Sharon Lim, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a front split card where you're making two cards using two pieces of DSP. So if you could see, they're opposites of each other. So let's get started. These are the pieces that you'll need to make the card. Card base 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. Two pieces of DSP. I'm using the Everyday Happiness DSP, 4 5 4 by 5 1/4. Two pieces of that. Some trim measuring not 3/4. I think it's 3/8 actually. So I'll change that for you. 3/8. I cut these out with the Thoughtful Wishes die. I made a bow with the gold trim, and this is the lovely template that you're going to use. So let me get the measurements out of the way. So I'm going to go ahead and fold along the score line here for the first card. And I have another piece for a second card, folded the other way. So the unique thing that I did with the template is usually people just cut this way and then make the card. I made the template so you do it on the back side of the paper. So this is what I mean. This is going to be the focal point. This is going to be the back of it, which means I flip this over, line it up here in the corner, and then on the edge here, I'm going to mark those two spots, and then I'm going to cut that. Repeat on this side, because that'll be for the other one. Bring my trimmer out and start cutting. So just lining it all up along the track here, and then here. So keep them the same. I'll repeat with this one. And that's the only cutting you'll have to do. So this is the back side, so I'm going to flip it over. There's no need to erase things. Make sure you're not marked, so I'm just going to swap the middles here. And before I adhere them, I'm going to put a little glue on top here. Let's see if I can do this. I think I might need the new glue. And then however much of the trim you want to be here. Cut that trim. And then repeat on this side. Try to do the same amount of trim so they're even, or close to even as you can. Cut that trim. Then I'm going to go ahead and start it on here. But before I do, I like to pop up this piece. So I'm going to bring on some dimensionals. I put some red lines in here so I can see when I take off the release paper. So there. I'll start with the bottom. Actually, this is the top. Leaving a little trim on the outside. I forgot this side. There we go. So a little edge there. go ahead and insert this part. That goes right there. And this goes here. Oh, I missed a little bit right there. It's okay. Let's go ahead and snip it off. Alright. Now with the twigs, I'm going to go ahead and get some glue dots. And adhere one. And then the second one. Peel this butter off and layer it. It's pretty close. And that covers that edge. We can put some more glue dots if you'd like. A little glue dot here for the bow. And that is it for the first card. All right, let's do the opposite card. So, some more glue on this piece. And the bottom. Leaving a little frame. Before I place this on, I'm going to do some edges on here. Oops. Just leaving a bit of trim. Let's repeat on this side. Trying to make the same amount of trim on both sides. I think that's close. Cut off those edges all the way around. Then raise it up with some dimensionals. And one more. Oops, wrong way. So now it's the middle part that's raised instead. Get my scraps out of the way. Here are my embellishments. Get the glue dots out. We'll start with the Lost Lagoon. The wild wheat. Top of here at an angle. Top of there. And my bow. Alright, that's it. Here are the two opposite cards. Here are the ones that we started with. Different DSP for the everyday happiness. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like these video tutorials, please like, comment, share, and especially subscribe to my channel, and you'll get more of these video tutorials. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.